century-old wilderness gear company just convinced Ford to drop a Raptor engine into its most refined Bronco ever and charged nearly $80,000 for it. Hey, this is Mark, and you're welcome to Auto. Says, hit subscribe. If you're new, we cover the stories behind the machines. Here's what most people are missing. Ford didn't choose Filson for fun. Eddie Bauer, Ford's outdoor brand partner since the late 1980s, filed for bankruptcy again in 2026, and with it went a licensing deal that dressed up Explorers, F-150s, and Broncos for nearly 4 decades. Ford needed a replacement. The answer came from Seattle. C.C. Filson started outfitting Klondike Gold Rush miners in 1897. 6 years before, Ford Motor Company existed. Filson still runs a factory and store in Seattle. Still sells the image of a man knee-deep in a river with a fly rod. Ford looked at that brand equity and saw exactly what it needed. Rugged credibility with a premium price tag already attached. Now here's the tension. If you're building a Bronco, for buyers who own both chest waders and noise-canceling earbuds, how do you keep it from becoming a luxury truck in disguise? Ford's chief engineer said it flat out, this is not luxury. Whether he convinced himself is the real question. Because the hardware tells a different story. Under the hood sits the twin-turbo 3.0 Liter V. 6 from the Bronco Raptor 418 horsepower in that application. Retuned here with final numbers still undisclosed. Sasquatch package standard on every unit. Fox shocks, 35-inch tires, front and rear lockers. Then you open the door, quilted leather, Filson rugged twill seat fabric, brass accents, magnetic saddlebags, Bang & Olufsen audio, acoustic glass cutting wind noise, nearly 20% over the 20 Bronco. Ford is pricing it in the mid-70s, just below the Raptor. First edition is 2,500 units in iron sands copper metallic. Orders open this fall. Deliveries early 2027. The Eddie Bauer editions proved Americans will pay a premium to feel like they could survive the wilderness. Even if they never leave the highway, the Filson is that same bet, just with more power and a lot more brass. So here's the question. At nearly 80 grand, is this still a Bronco, or has Ford finally built the civilized truck it always promised it wouldn't? Next up, another automaker that swore it would never go soft, and what happened when the money got too good to resist.